Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's really important when building user interfaces in SwiftUI, understanding the view hierarchy and how to use zIndex effectively. If you've ever found yourself struggling to get your views to stack correctly, or wondering why some elements are hiding behind others, then this video is for you. In just a few minutes, we'll cover the essentials of how SwiftUI's view hierarchy works and provide some practical tips on using zIndex to control the order of your views. So let's dive right in. When building user interfaces in SwiftUI, it's essential to understand how views are organized. Think of it like a big container that holds all your other views inside. This container is what we call the view hierarchy. Imagine you're stacking blocks on top of each other. Each block represents a view, and just like how you can stack blocks in different orders, SwiftUI allows you to arrange your views in a specific order too. But instead of using physical blocks, we use something called zIndex. Intiwak Bachu Hanobachin Paybat Twite. Ouch oh Wall Unable Pop. zIndex is like an invisible axis that runs through the center of our screen, from front to back. Think of it as the depth of our view hierarchy. By default, every new view you add gets a zIndex of 0, which means they're all on the same level. But here's where things get interesting. When you have views with overlapping frames, or you want some elements to appear in front of others, that's where zIndex comes into play. By assigning different values to your views' zIndex, you can control their order. For example, imagine you're building a screen with a background image and some text on top. You'll want the text to appear in front of the background image. Right, to achieve this, you could give the text view a higher zIndex value than the background image. So, what are the main points we've covered so far? SwiftUI's view hierarchy is like a container that holds all your views. Views can be arranged in different orders using zIndex. Now, Ode, Apetian Touchton, Ladi Twanally Lund, Upte. By default, new views have a zIndex of 0. Assigning different values to zIndex allows you to control the order of your views. And that's it for today. Understanding how SwiftUI's view hierarchy works and using zIndex effectively is a crucial part of building robust user interfaces. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more SwiftUI tutorials and tips. We'd love to hear from you. What are some common issues you face when working with SwiftUI's view hierarchy? Share your experiences, and let's help each other out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.